Starting online business with drop shipping. Have you ever wondered how to set up an online business with dropshipping? Do you often wonder which product is better in dropshipping business? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of setting up the dropshipping business from zero? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about starting online business with drop shipping. Now let's get into it. By using drop shipping firms to handle your orders, you could route all your e-commerce site's orders to wholesalers, and they will drop ship your order directly to customers. And you as the online retailer can eliminate the expense of carrying inventory and the risk of being stuck with the goods if these goods didn't sell. Before you get started, consider these 7 steps involved in starting a drop shipping business. Sell products with or without the website. You can start your drop shipping e-business either with or without having your own website. If you decide to sell with your own domain name, then you need to get your e-commerce site up. If you do not want the hassle of getting your own e-commerce site, then you could build your online store at eBay. eBay eStore site builders allow you to build your online store easily. Then, you need to decide what types of products to sell at your online store. You could identify a group of products such as electronic products, household electrical appliances, cell phones. It is advisable to identify similar products or products under the same category to sell instead of totally different category products, such as shoes and CD players. Because, by selecting products within the same category, you can give your customers more choices to choose from, and you can group 2 or more products in a bundle for promotion or marketing activities, and you get more sales on each transaction. Locate suppliers for dropshipping. After identifying your products to sell, you need to look for your drop shipping suppliers. On-time delivery is important to ensure the satisfaction of your customers, hence, be sure you check for the drop shipper performance record before you sign up an account with them. Discussion forums, message boards, and blogs are sources for you to find some hints or comments for the drop shippers. Or you just simply key in the drop shipper name on the Google search box, you should get some information about your selected drop shipper. Once you select a drop shipping company, you need to set up a reseller account with the company. This can often be done online or by phone, but some companies will require that you complete and return a reseller application to open an account. Some may also require a tax ID and a business license. Most drop shipping companies will charge some fee to open their reseller account. Advertise the product. Many online retailers failed in their drop shipping e-business because they could drive traffic or visitor to their website and convert these visitors to actual paying customers. To get traffic to your product page, either your website or your eBay store, you need to advertise your products so that your products get exposure on the internet and attract targeted traffic to your product page. There are many ways to advertise your products. You could advertise on eBay, use pay-per-click (PPC) advertisement services such as Google AdWords, or you could go for the cheapest but equally efficient way of driving traffic to your e-store. You could write a review on your products in an article and put your e-store URL at the end of the article or at the author resource box and submit many article directories for maximum exposure. Many internet visitors will drop by your e-store via your URL link at the end of your article if they are interested to know more. Once you have the product sold, your customer will pay you on your selling price via your online payment system such as PayPal. And you place the order with your drop shipper and pay them via their payment system at the agreed price, which is lower than your selling price, so that you could earn the profit. After sale follow-up. Many e-business entrepreneurs will miss out after sale follow-up portion. Just because your customer has paid you and you have placed the order with the drop shipper, it does not mean that this is the end of the loop. Because if there are problems that occur, you are the one who needs to respond in the eyes of your customers. Hence, you should follow up with your drop shipper either via phone or email to ensure that ship out your order to your customer. You should proactively follow up with your customer to ensure they have received their order and satisfied with it. Offer yourself as the personal contact for any issues that may arise. This is also a great way to sell customers more products, because if your customers are satisfied with your service, they may give you repeat orders. An eBay business. It is very easy to start a dropshipping business on eBay. You do not need to make any huge investments when starting your eBay dropshipping business, and your initial costs will be negligible. Remember that this is a virtual business and does not need heavy startup costs. Unlike an offline business that can be expensive to start, eBay is the biggest e-commerce portal in the world today and is providing a livelihood to thousands of people worldwide. You do not need any special skills for starting a dropshipping business on eBay, and although there are certain products that you cannot sell on an auction eBay online shopping store, you can sell virtually anything else. And don't forget that you will have an existing database of over 150 million customers to sell your product to. You will, however, need to carefully assess the pros and cons to ensure success. Read as much as you can on the subject and learn from those that know. A good resource can be found here. eBay gets somewhere around 1.5 billion page reviews every month. You can imagine therefore the kind of traffic that can visit your auction eBay site store. Just be sure to check out what is selling and what isn't before you start, and just remember this: a little time and effort is all that will be required to get started, and after that just sit back and watch the bidding. Even while you are sleeping, on holiday, or doing whatever else, eBay is still working for you, day and night. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about starting online business with drop shipping. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.